Hello and welcome, I'm at Stuttgart. I'm going to show you this vehicle here. It's the Affinity 5, and 5 because 5 people can sleep in this camper van. It's going to cost 98,147. It's on a Fiat Ducato base. Let's see if we can spot where the 5 sleeping places are. Well, you see 5 belted positions so far, so that's a start. Come around here, we've got 3 bunks there. That's presumably for the children. We've got a rather large space here, L-shaped kitchen, 2 burners. We've got the sink. We've got storage in the kitchen block, and it's proper storage, quality stuff with the sides to it, and we've got storage above as well up here and down here as well. In here we've got a small wardrobe, and now through here we have a very elegant looking washroom, and with a sink which comes out here, obviously, and now in the shower as well, doubles as a shower, and there's the sink. So it's a very nice looking piece of equipment. Now, what about the sleeping though? I did mention there was 5 sleeping places in here, so now we're gonna have to try and find them, and where they are is in the seat here. Now, if you've seen any of the videos I've done on the first Affinity model, then you've noticed that the seat does actually come up to make a bed. And now I can't actually demonstrate that as I'm doing this, but we can see up here there is a video of it happening, and that's how it comes out to make the bed. So I'm using a different video within mine. There you are, pulls that up quite easily, slots in, and there you go. Wasn't that easy to do? So that's where the other bed accommodation is. No, there's no accommodation. There's no storage at the front. That makes it easy to get in and out of the driver and passenger seats. There is, however, skylights, which are quite interesting. Also, we've got around here and sit here, and the table is quite big, lots of space from this angle. Right, let's have a look outside, see what we can find out there, if anything. And this is the rear. So if we call it a garage, it would be under there. Access to the toilet cassette is here, and through here there is the gas storage unit. So that is the Affinity 5 with sleeping for 5 people. I hope you found that interesting. Thanks very much for watching. I upload every day at 21:15. If you want to see more Affinity vehicles, there are links below which may put this into more context. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.